This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2025 Fall Carlisle in the car Corral, giving you a sneak preview. Check out this little 66 GT. Yep, 66. Said be sure. I can just take a quick walk about. And what's nice is that when no one's around, I can tear these cars to shreds, which is really a lot of fun. But keep in mind, I don't care what your car is, I don't care the condition or whatever, it is going up, especially a sweet little ride like this. And this one I like in particular because in a way it's a survivor. It's a 6-cylinder, original 6-cylinder automatic, 200, which is really pretty cool. And just go over it real quick. 3-speed automatic, power top with boot, front disc brakes, rebuilt transmission, GT, fog lamps, buckets, and let's see, factory jack. Really pretty cool. The whole thing is, what are they asking? Now, it's been, quote-unquote, restored. But what bothers me the most, the gaps are terrible. The orange peel is insane. Look at that run right over there. I mean, come on, folks. Let's get with the program here. If you're going to do it, let's do it right. Put a little effort into it or don't do it at all. Again, this is why a lot of times you have to have, you can see the runs over there, why you really need someone who knows what's going on to look over everything. Now look at the pitting on the chrome and such. Now this is not a high-dollar car, but still, you put a lot of effort into the restoration. And meanwhile, I mean, look at these gaps. More runs over there. A lot of orange peel over there. I don't know if you can see, quarters aren't too wavy and such. Nice bumper in the back. It's not too bad. Actually, it looks pretty good. I like it. Probably a re-chrome, re-pop on that. Yeah, you can see on through. Why? And polish it up. Probably get rid of a lot of that. New top. This quarter has a lot of waves in it, but check this out. Look at that. Come on, guys. I love not having the owners here because I could really have a ball. But again, keep in mind, this is a 6-cylinder automatic. It's not a high-dollar car. It's a great cruiser, especially for today with the gas prices. Now, the piece de resistance, how much are they asking? $28,500 for a 6-cylinder automatic Mustang convertible with the GT package. You know something? Even with that fixed up, like it is, I can't call it restored, fixed up, it's, well, maybe about $10,000 over, but still, you're going to have a lot of fun with the car. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com. For more cool events like this, make sure you support your local car show calendar, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com. And remember, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.